Welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about the ML190 series, the direct retrofit for the Schlage L9000 series from Command Access. This is the new motorized version, very flexible in the field. Universal voltage input, anything from 11 to 30 volts. And field selectable, fail safe, fail secure.
So let's jump into how you change the function. First off, we'll remove the faceplate. We can see without power, the lever is locked, fail secure. So to change to fail safe, I'm going to press that push button for roughly 5 seconds until I hear the motor cycle. I can double check that the lever is unlocked without power and confirm that I've changed functions. Next, let's fire it off using our field tester a few times to confirm that applying power electronically locks the lever. But wait, what if you're at a job site and there's no power, you say? Not a problem. Same process, hold down that push button for 5 seconds. Now we can hook it back up to our field tester, dial it down to 12 volts, and test fail secure. The ML190, flexibility in the field with and without power.
Thank you for calling Command Access. We're here